Set of 12 aluminum foil Dutch oven liners for 12-inch/6-quart large camp Dutch oven. Sturdy handles for easy lifting, carrying and serving. Makes cleanup fast and simple. Heavy gauge aluminum, 100% recyclable. Make camp cooking cleanup easier than ever with the large 12-inch aluminum foil Dutch oven liner. Made of 100% recyclable heavy gauge aluminum, these liners will be the perfect addition to your next camping trip. Sturdy handles make lifting, carrying, and serving easy. Plus, makes cast iron cleanup fast and simple. Ideal for large 12-inch/6-quart camp Dutch oven. Wash before use. Top reviews from the United States. These are wonderful. We used these liners when we were camping on the mountain and they are just absolutely the best liners out there. I did not clean them as water is a precious commodity when camping, plus I have better things to do than wash a disposable liner. Lol. I used them for scalloped potatoes and ham, bread pudding and a peach cobbler and they withheld very well. I am actually signed into Amazon so I can order more. If you love cooking with cast iron and charcoal, you cannot go wrong with these handy liners. No need to clean out or season the cast iron after cooking a meal.